Chapter 9, multiples and factors. Multiples. When we multiply a number by counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, we get multiples of the number. For example, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 multiplied by 3, 21, 7 multiplied by 4, 28, 7 multiplied by 5, 35, like this. So these are what? These are the multiples of 7. So here we have first 10 multiples of the number in the multiplication table. So a multiple of a number can be obtained by multiplying the number with any number, or the products of a number with the counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called the multiples of the number. So multiples of 5 like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Brain booster. Multiples of a number is equal to the number multiplied by any counting number. Now properties of multiples. The first, a number can have infinite multiples. It means that there is no limit of the multiples we can get because we can keep on multiplying. The second, every number is a multiple of 1 because 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3. Okay. The third, the first and the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. The first and the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself, like 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. And the next, a multiple of a number is exactly divisible by it, like 12 divided by 2 we will get 6, 15 divided by 3 we will get 5 and so on. Now every non-zero number is a multiple of itself, like 6 ones are 6, so 6 is a multiple of 6. 23 into 1 is 23, so 23 is a multiple of 23. And the next, 0 is a multiple of every non-zero number. We know that every non-zero number is a factor of 0. So 0 is a multiple of every non-zero number. Now brain booster, every number has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Now lowest common multiple means LCM. The LCM of some given number is the smallest common multiple of these numbers. See example 1, find the LCM of 6 and 8. So first find the multiples of 6 and then find the multiples of 8, means write the table of 6 and 8. Okay. So now find the common, यानी जो दोनों में है. So what are common here? 24, 48, 72. These are common. And lowest, जो सबसे छोटा है, that is 24. So what is the LCM? LCM is 24. Okay. See now example 2. Find the LCM of 9 and 12. So write the multiples of 9, then multiples of 12, means 12 ka table. Find the common. Common is 36, then 72. See, if you are getting the first number, then the second number would be the multiple of that first one, like 36 है, 72 है, what would be next? 36 into 3, 108. It's not required, but just I am telling you for your knowledge. So here 36 is the lowest, so 36 is the LCM. Now example 3, find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So write the multiples of 2, write the multiples of 3, write the multiples of 4. Then find the common. Common multiple 12, then 24, then 36, like this. So what is the LCM least? That is 12. So answer is 12. So very interesting. Now exercise 9.1, question number 1. Answer these question. A part. Is 72 a multiple of 12? So just find out 12 ke table mein 72 comes. Yes, 12 6 are 72. So yes. और आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 72 को 12 से, रिमाइंडर इज 0. सो 12 is a factor, you will do later on. So you can say 72 is a multiple of 12. Now B, is 95 a multiple of 19? Yes, because 95 comes in the table of 19. Okay. Now similarly you can try remaining parts. Now second one, write first 10 multiples of 9. You can write the table of 9. The third, write first 9 multiples of 16. You can write the table of 16. So like this, right? Now one brain booster, multiples are always greater than or equal to the given number except for 0, which is a multiple of all numbers, right? Now the 7, find the LCM of, like B part, 5 and 10. So first find the multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30. Now common 10. Then next is 20. So what is the LCM? LCM is 10. Right? So I hope remaining parts you can try. The next we are talking about even and odd numbers. A number which is a multiple of 2, that is called an even number. यानी जो 2 के टेबल में आता है, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These all are the multiples of 2 and these all are even numbers. And a number which is not a multiple of 2, that is called an odd number, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? An even number has the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its ones place, like 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. All are even numbers. And an odd number has the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at its ones place, like 41, 43, 45. These all are odd numbers. Now example, write all the even numbers between 60 and 80. So you can try this one. So 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78. Okay. Now exercise 9.2. The first, what do even digits end with? So even digits के end में क्या आता है? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And the second, what do odd digits end with? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? The third, circle all the even numbers. So find even number, even number, even, like this. And the fourth, circle all the odd numbers. You can try these one. And the fifth, write the next 5 odd numbers after, like A part 11. So 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, word problems example. Now word problems example, an ice cream seller visits Annie's neighborhood every 4 days. Somehow she missed him today. When can Annie expect the ice cream seller to visit her neighborhood again? The ice cream seller will visit on following days from today. 4, 8, 12, 16 means multiple of 4. So the next time the ice cream seller's visit will be on the 4th day. Okay. Now exercise 9.3, question number 1, find the LCM of the following numbers. You can try these one. And the second one, read the word problems and solve. Like B part, Mrs. Sharma waters one of her plants every 10 days and another plant every 4 days. If she waters both plants today, when is the next time both plants will be watered on the same day? It means you will find the LCM, common day, okay, common multiple, right? Now factor, when number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor. For example, 3 into 4 is 12. It means both 3 and 4 are the factors of 12, or 12 is a multiple of both 3 and 4. So let us divide 12 by 3 and 4. If you divide 12 by 3, you will get 4, and if you divide 12 by 4, you will get 3. So a number which divides other number exactly, that is called its factor. See example, list all the factors of 6, 20 and 45. So 6 is what? 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. 20, 1 into 20, 2 tens are 4 5s are. So factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. And 45, 1 into 45, 3 into 15, 9 5s are. Okay, so factors are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45, right? So factors are the numbers we multiply together to get another number. Now brain booster, a number has limited factors. Now properties of factors, the first, 1 is the factor of every number because 1 divides each number. So 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 1 is 4, like this. And the second, the greatest factor of every number is the number itself. उस number से बड़ा कोई उसका factor नहीं होगा. Like factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Clearly 6 is the greatest factor. And factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Clearly 8 is the greatest factor of 8. Now third, when number is divided by its factor, the remainder is 0. अगर हम किसी number को उसके factor से divide करेंगे यानी वो exactly divisible होगा, then remainder is always 0. Like 62 divided by 2, the answer is 31. 81 divided by 9, quotient is 9 and the remainder is 0. So in a division sum, if the remainder is 0, both the divisor and the quotient are the factors of the dividend. Like here 413, this is divisible by 759 is the quotient. So 7 and 59 are the factors of 413. Now next example is 9 a factor of 75. तो 75 को हम 9 से divide करके देखेंगे. But here we are getting remainder 3. So that's why 9 is not a factor of 75. Now we are talking about common factors, the numbers which are common among the factors of 2 or more numbers are called the common factors. Like example, find the common factors of 20 and 45. So here 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, write the factors of 20, write the factors of 45. Then find the common 1 and 5. So these are the common. Now we are finding highest common factor. जो common factor में सबसे बड़ा होगा. See how to do. HCF. The largest common factor of 2 or more number is called their highest common factor, means HCF. Like example, find the HCF of 40, 56 and 24. So write the factors of 40. These are the factors of 40. Find the factors of 56. Then find the factors of 24. Now find the common factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now which one is the highest? That is 8. So answer is 8. HCF is 8. So fun facts, a factor is the number which divides another number completely without leaving a remainder. Now the next exercise 9.4, question number 1, find all the factors of like C part 40. So just write like 1 into 40, it is divisible by 2, 2 into 20, not by 3, by 4, 4 into 10, by 5, 5 into 8. Okay, so like this. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now the second are the statements true or false. So like A part, 7 is a factor of 45. No, 7 के table में 45 नहीं आता. This is false. Each number is a factor of itself. Yes, this is true. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Yes, this is true. A number has unlimited factors. No, false. It has only limited factors. And no factor is greater than the number. Yes, this is right. True. Similarly, you can try third question. Now, fun facts. A factor of a number is a number that divides it exactly, leaving no remainder. Now, test for divisibility. Sometimes division may be a long process. To find the factors of a number, we first test divisibility by 2, 3, 5 and so on by shortcut method. Like test of divisibility by 10. How we can check? A number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit is 0. Like 110 is divisible by 10. Now test of divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit is 0 or 5. तो अगर लास्ट में 0 या 5 है then the number is divisible by 5, otherwise not. Like each of the number 410, 245, these are divisible by 5. Now test of divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Like the number 310, 312, 314, all are divisible by 2. Now test of divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Like see this number 225, take the sum of the digits, this is 9, which is a multiple of 3. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. Okay, now exercise 9.5 here. First, filling the blanks. A part, a number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. The second, a number is divisible by dash if the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then it is divisible by 2. C part, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by dash, it will be divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 3, okay. And D, a number is divisible by dash if it ends in 5 or 0. So it is divisible by 5, okay.